Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Photoshop to After Effects pipeline for animated posters step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Set your desired dimensions for the animated poster. Design your poster using layers for different elements. Ensure each element you want to animate is on its own layer. Once your design is complete, save your Photoshop file in PSD format. Now, open Adobe After Effects. In After Effects, click on File and select Import. Choose File from the drop-down menu. Locate your saved PSD file and select it. In the Import dialog, choose Composition and then click Import. This will create a new composition based on your Photoshop layers. Double-click on the newly created composition to open it in the timeline. You will see all your Photoshop layers are now available in After Effects. Select the layer you want to animate first. Use the timeline to set keyframes for your animation. Adjust the properties such as position, scale, or opacity as needed. Continue to animate each layer individually, creating depth and movement. For additional effects, explore the Effects panel to add transitions. Once you're satisfied with your animations, go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. Choose your render settings and output format. Click on Render to finalize your animated poster. Now, you're ready to showcase your animated poster created through the Photoshop to After Effects pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.